Welcome to Bishon Concept Teaching. In this class, we are going to solve the numerical problem of the lesson Electricity, 10th Standard NCERT syllabus. You can see the question on the board. When a 12-volt battery is connected across an unknown resistor, there is a current of 2.5 milliampere in the circuit. Find the value of the resistance of the resistor. First, let me write what is given in the problem. What is given in the problem? See here, they have given a 12-volt battery. Voltage of the battery is 12 volt and it is connected across an unknown resistor. There is a current of 2.5 milliampere. I is equal to 2.5 milliampere. Find the value of the resistance of the resistor. What we have to find out? We have to find out the resistance of the resistor. Before doing this problem, let me explain it once. An unknown resistor means we don't know the resistance of this resistor. It is connected to a battery of 12 volt. It is connected to a battery of 12 volt. Then the current flows in the circuit is 2.5 milliampere. That is I is equal to 2.5 milliampere. Then we have to find out the value of this resistor. Let me tell you again. See here, when an unknown resistor, when it is connected to an 12 volt battery, then the current flows in the circuit is 2.5 milliampere. Then we have to find out the resistance of this resistor. Did you understand the meaning of this question? Now let's solve it. And we know Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R by Ohm's law. V is equal to I into R. Isn't it? From this, we can find out the resistance of the resistor. V by I is equal to R. By using this formula, we can find out the resistance of the resistor. Now, see what is given in the problem. V and I, it is given in the problem, isn't it? See here, current, it is in milliampere. So, let's convert this in ampere. What is the relationship between ampere and milliampere? We know that 1 ampere is equal to 1000 milliampere. Therefore, 2.5 milliampere, how much it will become? 2.5 divided by 1000. This is nothing but what? 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 ampere. Isn't it? We have converted this milliampere in ampere. Now, substitute the value of I and V in this formula. That is, R is equal to V by I. R is equal to V. What is the value of V? That is 12 volt. 12 divided by I. I is how much? 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 ampere into 10 to the power of minus 3. R is equal to 12 divided by 2.5 and take this 10 to the power of minus 3 to the numerator. And you know that when you will take this to the numerator it will become 10 to the power of 3. R is equal to 12 into 10 to the power of 3 is nothing but what? 1000 divided by 2.5. To remove this decimal point, let's multiply both numerator and denominator by 10 into 10 into 10. Then R is equal to 12 into 1000 into 10 divided by 2.5 into 10. It's nothing but what? 25.0. But we will take only 25. 25.0, it is nothing but what? 25 only, isn't it? So we will take only 25. 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 2s are 10 0 0. Then 200 into 2 is how much? 400. That is R is equal to 12 into 400. It's nothing but what? 12 into 4 is 48. 4800 ohm. The value of the resistance is how much? 4800 ohm. You can also keep this resistance in kilo ohm. It will become, we know that 1 kilo ohm is equal to what? 1000 ohm. And 4800 ohm, it will become what? 4.8 kilo ohm. That is 4800 divided by 1000. Is nothing but what? 4.8 kilo ohm. Here the value of the resistance is 4800 ohm or 4.8 kilo ohm. It is better to write both. So our answer is what? R is equal to 4800 ohm or 4.8 kilo ohm. The value of the unknown resistor is 4800 ohm or 4.8 kilo ohm. Hope you have understood. Thank you.